In this video, we're going to talk about how to choose fonts and font sizes for our text or for our numbers for the content that's in the cells in Microsoft Excel. So we're going to click in A1. We're using the same spreadsheet as we had opened before. I'm going to click in cell A1. We're going to click on the Home tab. So we should already be on the Home tab. This is what we were using in the last video. We're going to open the font menu. So we're going to go to our font group. Click on this little button here where mine says Calibri. And it's going to drop down. And we're going to choose the first one under theme fonts. Mine is Calibri Light. So it changed the way the font looks in A1. And so only A1 should have changed because that was the only cell that you had or I had selected in A1. So now we're going to go to the sizing, which is next to the font in the font group. We're going to click that arrow right next to the size. And we're going to change it to 18 points. So we're going from 11 points to 18 points. Now we're going to change a little bit of other stuff in our spreadsheet. We're going to go to A3 to 03. So our headings up here. A3 to 03. We're going to click on our font drop down menu, our font menu again. And we're going to find the font that says Arial. It's in the A's, Arial here, not Arial Black, but just regular Arial. We're going to change the font size to 10, so we're actually going to decrease it just a little bit. So now our column headings are now in Arial size 10.